There are many reasons why you should be working with Eastern DataComm for your safety and communication needs. In this video, I'll highlight a few of the details we put into the lockdown button we use with our lens solution that nobody else is doing. Let's get started. Hi, it's Paul Jenny from Eastern DataComm, where we provide safety and communication solutions tailored to your needs. As lockdowns and school safety continues to rise in importance for schools across the country, many companies have added emergency notification solutions to their product portfolio. However, what I see time and time again is the vast majority of these companies don't understand school safety, nor do they put the time and effort to provide their school clients with solutions that actually address their safety and communication needs. Take, for example, this lockdown button. Now, I've seen other competitors install buttons like this in school buildings. Often, I don't see enough of these buttons, or I see them located in the wrong places. But that could be the topic for another video. What I want to highlight is our competitors will look to install a button or two to activate their system, and that's it. That's as far as their effort goes. At Eastern DataComm, we've given something as simple as the lockdown button a lot more thought. Let me show you. Now, one of the first things you'll probably notice about the button is the green LED light. This serves a few purposes. First, these buttons are hardwired back to our lens controller. If the green light is on, that means our controller is on and powered up. Although we can monitor the power to our lens controller remotely, this serves as a quick and easy check that lens is powered up and will be activated by pressing that button. The second purpose of that light is to make it easy to locate that button if the power ever goes out. Since our lens solution is on battery backup, if the school building ever lost power, lens would still be up and running. And that light on the button would still be on, making it easier to find even if it's dark. Now, you'll see the next two features when I press the button. When I use the button to activate lens, the green light turns red and the button stays depressed. Why is this important? Well, imagine there's a real event going on that warrants a lockdown. The person who presses the button will probably be in some state of panic. The fear people have is, what if they didn't press the button fully to activate the system? It's like when you're on your computer and you click the mouse and something doesn't happen immediately, you wonder, did I click it right? Do I need to click it again? You don't want to feel like that during a lockdown. With our lens solution, because the light changes red and the button stays depressed, you can be certain that the system was activated and that it will notify everyone on school grounds as well as call the police. So, to summarize, if you're looking to improve the safety in your district, it's crucial that you work with a company that truly is looking to improve the safety of your students and staff as opposed to just selling you a product. I've been to too many schools that think they're covered with an emergency notification solution, but either the technology doesn't actually address their needs or the vendor that installed it doesn't understand school safety and are just looking to make a buck. At Eastern DataComm, we take school safety very seriously, and we continue to work on developing lens to be the best solution on the market. Hopefully you can see the effort we put into just our lockdown button shows the effort we put into keeping your students and teachers safe. For more information, please visit our website or give us a call at 201-457-3311. Thank you for watching.